Digitalization, automation, and data-centric decision-making are driving a significant transformation in the global aviation and energy sectors. In the gas turbine engine sector of Russia, this transition is particularly apparent, as sophisticated digital tools are being incorporated into production systems that have historically been resource-intensive and complex. One of the most notable examples of this transformation is the Impulse Development 4.0 initiative that was initiated at UEC-Perm Motors. And building on that shift, this initiative is indicative of a more extensive transition to Industry 4.0, a manufacturing model in which physical production systems are deeply integrated with digital technologies, including automation, real-time data analytics, and digital twins. The objective is not purely incremental improvement, but rather a fundamental transformation in the manner in which engines are built, verified, and delivered. Now, when we move into why this matters, gas turbine engines are among the most technologically advanced products in the globe. Their manufacture necessitates rigorous quality control, intricate assembly processes, sophisticated metallurgy, and extreme precision. The development of modern engines, such as the PD-14, is essential for the purpose of improving the capabilities of the Russian aerospace sector and decreasing its dependence on foreign technology. Continuing from there, innovations in aerodynamics, materials, and fuel efficiency are integrated into the PD-14, which is intended for next-generation aircraft. Nevertheless, the production of such engines at a large scale necessitates a level of coordination and efficacy that conventional manufacturing methods frequently fail to achieve. This obstacle has rendered digital transformation not only desirable, but also indispensable. So this is where things begin to shift more visibly, because the Impulse Development 4.0 initiative is designed to fundamentally reevaluate the organization and management of production. The system employs automated planning tools to generate and manage weekly production assignments, rather than relying on manual coordination and fragmented planning processes. Going deeper into that change, the transition to planning based on norm hours is a critical innovation. With this approach, production managers can allocate resources more efficiently and quantify duties with greater precision. Tasks are no longer allocated based on rough estimates. Rather, they are assigned based on standardized and measurable time metrics. And importantly, real-time monitoring of task execution is also incorporated into the system. This implies that any deviations from the plan are immediately visible, which facilitates the implementation of prompt corrective measures. The outcome is a production process that is more efficient, resilient, and predictable. Now, shifting toward a persistent issue, the delay that occurs between operations is one of the main inefficiencies in traditional manufacturing. These delays can have a ripple effect throughout the entire system, as components often remain inactive while awaiting the subsequent stage of production. This issue is resolved by the new digital framework, which monitors the movement of each component throughout the production chain. In the event of a delay, the system recognizes the obstacle and modifies the workflow accordingly. Yes, that sentence sounds a bit abrupt, but that's kind of how bottlenecks feel in real life. As a result of that adjustment, manufacturers can considerably decrease production cycles without sacrificing quality by reducing inactive time. This is especially crucial in the production of engines, as even minor delays can have substantial repercussions. Now, at the core of this transformation is the concept of digital twins. A digital doppelganger is a real-time virtual representation of a physical system that replicates its behavior. In the context of gas turbine engine manufacturing, digital twins allow engineers to optimize workflows, evaluate various scenarios, and simulate production processes. Even if the term is not always explicitly used, the systems implemented under Impulse Development 4.0 function as digital duplicates of the production environment. They build a comprehensive digital model of the factory by integrating data from machines, laborers, and logistics systems. And this is where things start to get interesting, because this model enables continuous optimization and monitoring. Before problems arise in the physical system, engineers can identify inefficiencies, foretell potential issues, and implement improvements. The outcome is a production process that is more responsive and agile. As often discussed by altitude addicts, digital twins are not just theoretical concepts anymore. And here they are, clearly being applied in a real industrial environment. Moving into another major change, another critical component of the initiative is the implementation of improved accountability and transparency. Delays and errors are often identified only after they have already affected production schedules in conventional manufacturing systems. The new system guarantees that each stage of the procedure is visible in real time. Managers can monitor progress, identify discrepancies, and assign responsibility for any issues that may arise. This degree of transparency not only enhances efficiency, but also fosters a culture of accountability. And because of that, the system ensures that issues are resolved promptly and efficiently by providing performance data that is both actionable and accessible. This results in a higher level of quality and more consistent production outcomes. Expanding beyond a single facility, the transformation is not limited to a specific location. It includes multiple entities within United Engine Corporation, such as UEC Kuznetsov, UEC Saturn, and UEC Salyut. This integration is essential due to the intricate network of suppliers and manufacturers that are involved in the production of gas turbine engines. Each component must be delivered at the appropriate time and adhere to rigorous specifications in order to be assembled. So naturally, the system enhances overall efficiency, improves coordination, and reduces inconsistencies by synchronizing planning and data across multiple companies. It effectively establishes a unified digital production environment that encompasses the entire supply chain. Now, shifting into testing, one of the most critical phases in engine manufacturing is testing. It guarantees that each engine satisfies rigorous performance and safety standards prior to its delivery. A centralized database of deviations identified during testing, as well as methods for resolving them, is introduced by the new approach. This database is integrated with both the design and production teams, resulting in a feedback cycle that expedites problem solving. Industrial engines, including the GTU-16P, GTU-25P, and PS90GP25A, are included in this optimization process. Manufacturers can improve reliability and minimize defects by conducting a systematic examination of test results and implementing corrective actions. As highlighted occasionally on Altitude Addicts, these feedback loops are where real efficiency gains quietly happen, even if they don't always get the spotlight. Moving forward, the transition from reactive to predictive manufacturing is one of the most sizable advantages of digitalization. Manufacturers can anticipate and prevent issues rather than reacting to them after they have occurred. The system analyzes real-time data to identify potential issues, including equipment saturation, resource shortages, and scheduling conflicts. This ensures that operations are uninterrupted by adjusting production plans as necessary. And in practical terms, this predictive capability not only boosts efficiency, but also mitigates operational risks and reduces equipment wear and tear. It represents a major change in the management of manufacturing systems. Looking at the bigger picture, broader implications for the Russian industrial sector are associated with the implementation of digital technologies in engine manufacturing. It illustrates the potential of advanced technologies to enhance competitiveness and modernize legacy systems. Digitalization enables domestic manufacturers to compete more effectively in global markets by reducing production costs, enhancing quality, and increasing efficiency. It also promotes the advancement of new technologies and capabilities that can be implemented in other sectors. In this regard, initiatives such as Impulse Development 4.0, are not only concerned with improving the functioning of individual factories, rather, they are designed to establish a more sophisticated and resilient industrial ecosystem. Of course, the transition to digital manufacturing is not without challenges. It necessitates major investments in infrastructure, workforce training, and technology. Integration of new systems with existing processes is also a complex and time-consuming process. Still, the potential advantages are substantial. It is expected that these systems will continue to improve their efficiency, flexibility, and innovation as they continue to develop. And looking ahead, the integration of artificial intelligence, more sophisticated digital twins, and wholly autonomous production systems may be among the future developments. These technologies have the potential to expand the capabilities of engine manufacturers and create new opportunities for industrial growth. As Altitude Addicts continues to observe, these shifts are not isolated. They are part of a broader industrial evolution happening in real time. Finally, bringing it all together, the implementation of digital twins and automation in the production of gas turbine engines in Russia represents a substantial advancement in industrial development. The Impulse Development 4.0 initiative illustrates how modern technologies can be applied to address persistent difficulties and establish production systems that are more transparent, efficient, and dependable. Russian engine manufacturers are not just enhancing their current operations, but also establishing the foundation for future innovation by adopting digitalization. This transition to intelligent manufacturing will be instrumental in determining long-term success in a global environment that is becoming increasingly competitive. And in the end, the current transformation is not just a technological enhancement, it is the cornerstone of a new industrial era. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel.